So today we are going to see about the current openings in Hyderabad and Bangalore location, and we are on Naukri.com website. And the first job we see here is IT analyst Bangalore and Hyderabad location, that is posted by Trigent Software, and the experience required for the candidates is 1 to 5 years, and freshers can apply for this job. So flexibility with the working shift 24/7, and up to 6 years of experience is okay. So the candidate should be self-motivated, collaborative, and self-learner with a good command on English communication. And the job description we will see here: greetings from Trigent. Service desk is the role, 0.6, that means 6 months to 5 years experience candidate, and this role is a permanent role. And the salary is as per the company standards, and the work location is Whitefield. Working shift is 24/7, and notice period, like if you drop your resignation to your company and you have to serve 1 month notice period, so it is acceptable, and two-way cab is provided. And the basic qualification is Windows platform in Windows 2000 and Windows XP, and networking, LAN and WAN, corporate enterprise domain infrastructure environment, these technologies are required. The people from engineering background, electronics and communication are suitable for this, as well as the computer science people, and the people who have these subjects in their curriculum, they can apply for this job. And if you do not have this skills in your academics, you can surely learn them from any of the good institutes, which I'm going to tell you in this video again. So this is a complete flexible shift, and the CTC and everything, you have to share these details with the HR email address. I'm going to just highlight the HR email address, that is rekha_c@trigent.com. so you need to tell your current CTC, your salary expectation, notice period, and every detail you have to mention with your resume and send to HR, and HR will communicate to you. So I'm going to quickly wind up with this job and go to another job which we have in HCL Technologies. So Trigent Software, first let me go ahead and tell you something about Trigent Technologies. This is the location is given in Bangalore, and the email address where you can send your resume, rekha_sri@trigent.com. so I'm going to quickly go to the website and see more about this Trigent Technologies, so that when you apply for the job, you must know something about the company or the consultancy that you're applying through, so that when HR asks the questions, you must be able to answer them about what industry they are into. They are into BFSI, education, and all these industries. Just go through the website once with each and every link. Then I'm just going to quickly jump on contact us. So I'm going to see they are headquartered in USA, that is you can see the address, Trigent Software Inc., and the Bangalore phone number. And there is another location in Bangalore itself. There is 2 office addresses there, and this is the HR email. If you fail to get communication call through the HR Rekha, you can just mail your CV and details here, and you will get a quick response. So quickly I'm going to jump into our another job, that is into HCL Technologies. I must tell you the full form of HCL is Hindustan Computers Limited, and it's a government aided company, like fresher trainee network engineer for HCL Technologies. So HCL is a government as well as private enterprise. Some part of holding goes with government and some part with private companies, and 0 years of experience, like freshers can apply for this job for HCL Technologies, and 2.5 lakh to 3.5 lakh per annum is the package. And all these locations like Tirupati, Anantapur, Vijayawada, Visakhapatnam, Guntur, these are the job applicants who have applied. So the role is trainee engineer, network engineer. So people from ECE, CSE and all this background can apply. So salary is 20,000 to 25,000. They have mentioned the salary, and the HR number is highlighted here. You can call the HR Deepthi, and this is the website where they are this company is posted the job for HCL, aviations.co.in. This is also a training company. They hire junior engineers who are the freshers, and they train with job internship into multinational companies and small companies. So this is their website. You can just go through this website, and I have seen that they have placed n number of students. It's a very big list. So these are all the technologies they have to offer. The website is loading quite slowly because of internet connection, or maybe they are working in the backend. These are all the companies they are in partnership with, and this is about Avient Technologies. And I'm just going to click on place students, and you can see how many number of students they have placed. And this is their WhatsApp number. You can just communicate with them through WhatsApp on this number. And below you see Hyderabad. If I click on it, it's going to WhatsApp, and you can communicate there. So it's very simple nowadays to just get on the website and talk to a human about a job. So you must be aware of all the new techniques that people are applying for jobs. Like they are getting trained into this good institutes with faculty who are very good at real time as well, not just theory purpose. So these are all the people who got placed into different companies like Tech Mahindra. You can see all big names from all over India. So I'm just quickly go and talk about two job openings. That is, one is in HCL Technologies, and it's a fresher role. All this qualification people can apply for this job, and freshers are welcome for aviation for HCL Technologies. Okay, and the other job was IT analyst for Trigent Technology, Trigent Software, which is headquartered in USA. So it's advised to learn all the skills which are highlighted here, because these are the key skills for any kind of job into software industry in all over India. So these are never-ending technologies. I suggest all my viewers to learn any of these technologies that can help you get the job. There are so many openings coming in, and IT market is in boom. So viewers, stay connected for our next video about the job updates. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe our video. Thank you so much.